These micro AI animal videos are going extremely viral right now, and creators are making a really good amount of money just by posting this exact style of content on their pages. Now watch what I just created in under 2 minutes. Without wasting a single second, let me show you exactly how to create these for free. First, copy the prompt from the description below and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In seconds, ChatGPT will provide you 10 unique micro animal ideas to choose from. Now, just enter the number of the animal you want to create and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly provide you an ultra-realistic image, prompt, and video prompt for that animal. Everything you need is right here in seconds. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure your image settings are turned on. Paste the image prompt in and hit enter. In seconds, your images will be ready. Now click on the image you like the most, click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Now select the output and desired video model. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it in. Hit enter, and in seconds, your viral micro AI animal video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now, watch another one I created using the exact same method. Same process, different animal, a completely different video ready to post. Once you know this workflow, you can create unlimited micro animal videos in minutes and keep your content going every single day without any effort. The prompt is in the description, waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.